Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video we will learn how to make this lovely hoop. This is perfect tutorial for you if you want to give a new life to your hoop earrings. This is very simple, very easy. All you need to do is to make a single crochet across. So for this you will need a hoop earrings like this. And then I have used lace weight yarn, 3mm crochet hook. You will need a yarn needle, pair of scissors as well. Let's start working on it. We will start by making a slip knot. And then we will start working around the hook. I will hold this tail of the yarn to weave it. And then keep making single crochet across the hoop. This is it, we will keep making it. And make sure to make them slightly tight so they don't slip off the hoop. Move them towards the end of the hoop and then keep making one single crochet across the hoop until you reach the other end. I have covered my whole earring with the single crochets. Now I can simply cut the yarn and finish off. If you want to add more accessories, if you have beads or anything like that, you can add on it as well to make it more fancy. So that's it. Our hoops are ready. In the same way you will work on the other hoop as well. This was very easy to make. I hope you like it and find it easy to work with. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. See you next tutorial. Until then, have a nice day.